Swimming in natural bodies of water like rivers and lakes can offer refreshing relief on a hot day, but it's important to be aware of potential health risks associated with parasites lurking in these aquatic environments. Parasitic infections from waterborne organisms can occur when individuals come into contact with contaminated water. Parasites such as Cryptosporidium, Giardia, and Naegleria fowleri are examples of microorganisms that can pose threats to swimmers. Cryptosporidium and Giardia are protozoa that can cause gastrointestinal illnesses when ingested by swallowing contaminated water. These parasites are known to survive even in chlorinated pools and can lead to symptoms like diarrhea, stomach cramps, and nausea. More concerning is the presence of Naegleria fowleri, often referred to as the brain-eating amoeba. This parasite thrives in warm freshwater environments and enters the body through the nose, typically while diving or jumping into water. While infections are extremely rare, they can lead to a severe and usually fatal brain condition called primary amoebic meningoencephalitis (PAM). Preventing these infections involves taking precautions. Avoiding submerging your head in warm, stagnant water and using nose clips or holding your nose shut while underwater can reduce the risk of Naegleria fowleri exposure. Additionally, refraining from swallowing water and thoroughly showering after swimming can help prevent other waterborne infections. Before diving into natural waters, it's wise to research the water quality and any potential warnings or advisories. Government agencies often monitor public swimming areas and provide information about water safety. By staying informed and practicing good hygiene habits, you can enjoy the pleasures of swimming in rivers and lakes while minimizing the risk of parasitic infections.